Buried under decades of dust lies a 1970 Plymouth Superbird, a NASCAR legend forgotten by time. Today, the winged warrior's journey back to greatness begins. At the heart of this beast sits the legendary 426 Hemi, 7 liters of raw, unbridled American muscle, built not just to run, but to dominate with brute force. Unlike ordinary muscle cars, this is a spear of aerodynamics. That iconic wing and Hemi engine were built for 200 miles per hour. We're restoring perfection, one bolt at a time. The petty blue shines once more. Hear that Hemi roar? The legend is finally awake. From a junkyard grave to the open road, the king is back.